everyone. So if you're looking for some ideas on some novelty gifts to give out, obviously right now we're in the middle of winter, but I just thought I'd try this anyway. So these are some slippers. You can find this at Coastal Business Supply, and I don't have any relationship with them, but I just decided to try them anyways. These cost $139 for 20 cents. Or if you want to buy singles, they're $12.45. So obviously it's better to buy them in bulk. Again, 20 for $139. They come with the straps, right? Once you sublimate, then you put the straps on them and you're good to go. So we're gonna go through, I'm gonna set up the design for these guys, and then we're gonna set them on the press. All right, so let's just talk about the settings for this sublimation. So we're gonna set the press at 380 degrees for 40 seconds. It's already there. So just another reminder, because it is a thicker product, you want to make sure that you set the pressure of the press in advance. This one's for medium to heavy pressure, but yet you're gonna have to open it up a bit so that it accommodates the width of the thickness of the slippers. So with that, we're gonna move on to check out the design. So just go select and then print, and then it gives you the print on your I'm using 11 by 17 paper instead of the roll on the F570. And just a couple of notes, I do always let the printer manage the colors. I found, to me, that's worked out well, and it's pretty accurate. And so you notice the different options here. So then you just hit OK, print, and then you're ready to go. Then once I print them, then we'll move over to the press to get them pressed onto the slippers. For these prints, actually I'm using this paper, which is the Text Print R, which has worked really well for me. And you know, normally I go with the Epson, but because it's a single sheet, then it saves us from having to use the whole roll. All right, for this next step, we're gonna take our slippers out. I'm gonna keep them within the extra rubber to make them easier to sublimate. So I'm getting them out. Notice again, these are the actual the part that goes above the slippers. So I'm gonna put that aside for now. For this purpose, we have our tape, we have our print, and then we have the paper that will go on our press. All right, for this I'm going to cut my my slippers, or cut the prints to make it easier to handle. All right, so now I got this. So I'm gonna use this to help me get the outline. And do the same thing here. Help me with the outline. There you go. That's right on the edge. And that's right on the edge. There we go. All right. Once I have it there and it's taped, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna slide it onto I'm gonna put my paper on the press. Paper there. So now I have my slippers here, taped up, nice and neat. Put my paper over it. Bring the press down and sublimate for 40 seconds. All right. This. Take the paper off. Bring them over here. Take the tape off. That's our slipper. And that's our other slipper. So now that they're printed, we can take them out of the packaging of the surrounding material. And here's our slippers. So now what I'll do is I'll install the top part, and our slippers will be complete. All right, now that was a little tougher. There is an actual tool you can buy when you buy the slippers that makes it easier to put it in through the hole and then pull the strap out. But we got both of ours in already. So here's what our slippers look like. And I thought it was a neat little project. Now the good thing about this, they can be used for, like, you know, wedding, bride events type of things, you know, when they do their bridesmaid get together, and you can basically put any type of design on them. They sublimate really well, as you can tell, and really the only down to this, guys, is putting these straps in. It takes a little bit of force if you don't have the actual tool that goes with them. But here's our slippers.